On today's used equipment walk around, we're looking at a Case 430 Series 3 skid steer. It has 12 16.5 12 ply tires, a good heavy sidewall, mechanical quick attach, H pattern with linkage down to the hydrostat. Good look at the cab there, open station with 1,016 hours. Has an operating load rating of 2,000 pounds with a bucket breakout force 5,800 pounds. It's 80 horsepower. Has 8 inches of ground clearance. Height to the top of the cab is 79 inches. The whole unit weighs 6,800 pounds and will travel at 12 miles an hour. Its max lift and dump is 8 feet. Good looking unit. Check it out at our ad on Kijiji or our website at www.stoltzsales.com.